Morning, Jeff. How are you this morning? We're doing okay. I can't complain. I slept in this morning a little bit. I stayed up late, but it's going to be a hot day, but that's okay. I am inside and got the AC rolling there. Go ahead.
CQDX, Tennessee 215, trying.
Oh, wow. What kind of antenna are you putting up?
CQDX, Tennessee 215, trying.
Good morning, good morning. We hear you down there in Tennessee. 215, 286 is my mud pickup truck north of Pittsburgh. We're waving.
Hey, 286 and that mud duck pickup truck sounding good down here in Tennessee 215. Have a great Saturday, waving a hand. Bye.
All right, see you there, Tennessee. Sounding sweet. North of Pittsburgh, my little city called Newcastle. Fireworks, the capital of the world. Washington 86 will be listening in my mud duck pickup truck.
Yeah, roger that in the mud duck pickup truck. Have a good Saturday, the rest of your weekend. Tennessee 215, waving a hand.